Okay, I'm at REI Willowbrook. We've already jetted the main line from the 6-inch manhole. In the manhole, I'm going back into the facility. Talk with management while trying to check in, which I can't do because apparently the work order number is the wrong work order number, but they haven't had any issues since the last time we were here. Trying to inch the camera in, as always. As you can see, it's good, clean pipe. Okay, this is where the restrooms tie in. Bring the camera back. Clean pipe. No debris on the bottom, that's to be expected. Back to the manhole. Okay.